Welcome to the Alverna Heights Spirituality and Nature Center. Here, the Sisters of St. Francis have created a beautiful retreat for relaxation, renewal, and recreation. But this property is being taken over by invasive species. Sister Karen Cook is here to share Alverna's battle and to encourage you to join the team and fight back against invasive species.
Invasive species are non-native species that cause harm ecologically, economically, and even sometimes to human health. So the three species I'd like to talk about today are emerald ash borer, which is in the news a lot, pale swallowwort, which is on our property here and causes a lot of problems, and also Eurasian dewberry, which is a new species that we have found here. Emerald ash borers are just these beautiful little beetles. They're emerald green color. They're smaller than a penny. They're long and narrow, and they're iridescent with big black eyes. But you can identify them also in the tree by looking for little holes that might be in an ash tree where they burrow in. Or when the bark is missing, you can see an S-shaped pattern that the larva left. Most likely, the ash tree will die after it is infested with emerald ash borer. You might have seen a lot of purple, triangular, kite-looking things in trees lately, and these are emerald ash borer traps. They have pheromones in them that attract the beetle, and for some reason, they're attracted to the color purple. So on the inside there's some sticky paper, so they land on this and you can see if you have emerald ash borers on your property. Pale swallowwort is a vine, and it has a nice waxy green leaves that are long and narrow, and it has little flowers on them, and the pods are long and slender. We have trees that have actually died because they are so surrounded by pale swallowwort. And the number of plant species we have growing in the forest is decreasing annually as the pale swallowwort is spreading throughout the forest. So what's happening is the forest floor cover is not providing habitat for many birds or any of the little insects or small mammals that we would expect to see in the forest. Here at Alverna Heights, we try and contain the swallowwort or manage it. Our first technique is to pull the pods out off the plant and put them in a garbage bag and put them in the garbage. We can't compost them, we can't burn them, the seeds would still be viable. The other way we do it is to hand pull each individual plant. This really helps to take the roots out and the plant does not grow back. We have a new plant that has shown up on our property since probably about 2002, and it is a long vine in the dewberry family, and this one's from Europe, European dewberry or Eurasian dewberry, and it has little thorns that point up the stem. So we thought maybe if we kept mowing it, it might be stressed enough to decrease and allow native plants to grow. It laughed at us. Dewberry loves to be mowed. It starts to grow long and horizontal closer to the ground where the mower can't get to it anymore. And so then we decided, well, maybe if we disc the field up and replant it to cool season grasses, hoping that the cool season grasses would shade it out and even more, stress it even more. And it has helped, but there's still live dewberry in the field.
Alverna Heights is not alone. Invasive species are taking over ecosystems across the nation, and this is not a battle one nun can fight on her own. We need your help to protect the native ecosystems we know and love. To learn more about how you can get involved with Alverna Heights, or about our annual invasive species workshop, please visit our website at alvernaheights.org.